Hello everyone and welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the three-way solenoid valve, the one that is located right here, and this is the older solenoid valve of the machine. This one takes care of routing the flow of water into the groove head. So it was having troubles building up pressure going on to extracting coffee. So we replaced that, and yeah, that's all we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind size on this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Now I'm gonna hit it on the manual as the single and the double volt portions of the machine are a little bit low. So I want to have at least 2 ounces of liquid, and I want to be able to test it properly. And as you can see, this machine has 6 seconds approximately of pre-infusion. Once those seconds pass, it will automatically push a lot of water through the groove head. This will open up all the way, and as you can see, it will just start flowing. I did tamper a bit harder. That's why you see just one spout coming out through there. So I probably didn't tamper properly and evenly. Whenever you do that, it will go through one side or through the other, but as each channels through the shot is going to go eventually through the other spout, and it's going to find its way into the cup. As you can see, we're having a nice flow coming out of the machine. Really good crema forming on top of it as well, and the pressure of the groove head is very consistent. It's not flowing all the way, it's not going all over the place, and it's staying around 10 bars, which is perfect. I'm gonna stop right here, and there it is. You can see, nice shot of espresso coming out of this machine. Really good crema, working really well. As you can see, we have a nice steady flow coming out of the machine, and as I told you, it's 6 seconds of pre-infusion, so it will slowly drip like this, and once it passes the pre-infusion phase, it will automatically push water just like that. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the groove head, working perfectly. And there you have, oh wait, let me just test the hot water as well. Hot water over here, nice steady stream, working really well, and the steam having excellent pressure straight away. As you can see, there's a bunch of steam going out through here, excellent pressure, working really well. And there you have it, Breville working once again. So thank you so much for repairing my Can Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.